So working 7-day weeks, I just never had time. So I'm gonna clean all this up today, and we hung this up last week. I'm thinking about making this like little outside area. I'm thinking about ordering these hanging tents and hanging them down, making like a cool outside area, and then I'm gonna be straightening out the garage. The garage needs to be straightened out, something serious. So I got some work to do. Thankfully, I have was smart and knowing kind of what was coming. I'm not stupid, so I've been saving money. So I'm not in like no insane rush to get a job. So I'm gonna do some cleaning today. I'll have all this stuff clean. All right, y'all. So we were out here doing some cleaning up in the yard, in the patio, I mean. And this little guy, look, we're gonna get him somewhere safe. He's being very still and very, very sweet. So we're just gonna take him. We're gonna take him kind of to the woods to where he don't get stepped on. Since we're cleaning right here, I don't want to accidentally step on him. He could get hidden under the rocks. Since he was in the shade, I think I might put him back in the shade, because I don't know if he is just, chilling. I hope I'm not messing up his hunting. I hope he wasn't on the verge of getting a grasshopper and I didn't mess that up. I just don't want to step on the dude. I believe that this is a rat snake, and I'm saying that because last time I caught one of these and released it in my woods a couple days ago, the guy was like, that's a rat snake. So that's what we're going to hope that this is. I know that it's not venomous. Oh, sorry, bud. He did that, I did not. Okay. Look, ooh, he's going to get me. Hey, buddy. You have a wonderful day. I'm going to get this camera out your face. Check him out, y'all. He don't want no trouble. What, you think this is far enough over, or... Look, he won't bite. Aw, he don't even bite, man. He looks like he might, though. Y'all just try to stay away from walking over here so we don't step on him. Good eye, Sarah. Good eye. Watch this, y'all. He's gone. I mean, you really got to be looking to see a snake, right? Yeah. All right, y'all. I appreciate y'all watching. All right, so we have gotten a lot of this cleaned up. While we were cleaning up, we found a snake, of course, which is okay. We got a video of that. Just down to picking up some of the camping stuff that I had left out and getting everything cleaned up. I got this little bit from this log. I'm going to make some very cool white oak, get some timbers cut out of it. I'm gonna get a sawmill from Vever. They're like $80, and we're gonna check out and see how well they work. It's a little portable sawmill you can hook an electric saw to and cut your own planks and stuff. So I'm gonna try to cut some boards and see if we can't make a cool piece of furniture out of it. Maybe for a gift or something for Christmas for my wife, or I don't know yet. I just can't really think about and figure out what I'm gonna do with it yet. I've got a lot on my mind, but we're getting somewhere, making the most of my first day off. All right, y'all, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Okay. So I made that video, the first one, an hour and a half ago, and sure enough, we got everything cleaned up. I'm gonna get a blower and come through and blow all the small stuff, and then probably hop on Vever and order that sawmill. Y'all, I've been thinking about, and I know this sounds crazy, but I'm seriously thinking about this. So, what do y'all think? I'm thinking about swinging a four-wheeler. I'm thinking about running a line up to that limb up there, okay? It's going to be a little bit hard to see right here, but they have these things called a throw ball, okay? And you take a throw ball and you run, you throw it up in the tree up to that notch. That limb looks dead. I'm going to have to find another limb to do it with. Look, there's another one. Okay, so look. See that limb? Run it up to a notch on one of these limbs. Throw a true blue rope over it. Any of y'all that know anything about tree work, you know what true blue climbing rope is. It's super stout stuff. And then with a pulley and a hoist, winching up the ATV and doing a full send down the hill, and then it like be a ATV swing. I don't know. Comment down below and let me know what y'all think about that. Thanks for watching.